Assalamualaikum to my fellow supervisor fakulti, Dr. Kamarul Amin Mohamad, and supervisor industry, Encik Muhammad Nur Amin bin Muhammad Salim. I am Farhan and this is my internship presentation. As you can see, these are the contents of my internship presentation: biography, introduction, industry background, training activities, and conclusion recommendation. I will start with my biography. My full name is Muhammad Farhan bin Muhammad Ridwan, and my supervisor industry is Encik Muhammad Nur Amin bin Muhammad Salim. I'm from Department of Production in Syotani Glass Malaysia Sdn Bhd. And I'm from Faculty of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering Technology. Next is introduction. The industrial training is the initial professional work training required to all students of University Technical Malaysia Melaka UTM. The students' participation in industrial training will be shown with the working standards and the surroundings that are regarded beneficial for the students' future endeavours. During the industrial training period, an industrial supervisor will be assigned to the student for the purpose of work observation and development in the company. For the training efficiency, student of Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering Technology with honours be required to undergo 24 weeks of the program. Industrial training also helps students make informed decisions, improve their marketability after graduation. Afterward, I will explain about the objective of industrial training. First is to adapt with the real working environment in terms of operational, development and management system. Second, to gain experience and understand real life situation in industrial organization. Number 3 is to improve their soft skill when experience the proper way of communicating with the co-workers. Besides that, the scope of the industrial training assist all the permanent staff here while they are doing their job at the factory, make a services and maintenance on the vial machine, make a services on vial components such as chucks, A and B, Shinbu, Sankaku, and etc. Checking anel and conveyor problem, learn how to take data vial from VMAC, learn to check oxygen, gas and sulfur dioxide meter reading using in vial machine. Other than that, this is the industrial background. Syotani Glass Malaysia Sdn Bhd was established on 21st September 1995 in Osaka, Japan, is a quotation from a Pharma Glass OSO Sdn Bhd. Encik Syahrir bin Hanifi is the individual responsible in the plan of the establishment of this company. The basis of the company establishment is to engage in the field of vial production. With an experienced board of director and staff of caliber, the company will engage in greater field or work in the manufacturing sector as well as carry out mechanical engineering work. This is the number of registration, company name and date established. And the business address is Lot 71, Persiaran Bunga Tanjung 2, Senawang Industrial Park, Seremban, Negeri Sembilan. Following with company organisation chart, in this company we have 6 departments, which is QA, control, production, inspection, administration, and last warehouse. In QA, we have QC leader and QC operator. Control, we have warehouse leader and warehouse operator. Production, we have production leader and production operator. Inspection, we have inspection leader and inspection operator. And admin, we have general worker and security guard. So, I will jump to company product. A vial is a small glass or plastic vessel or bottle often used to store medication as liquid, powder or capsules. Vial-like glass containers date back to classical antiquity. Modern vials are often made of plastic such as polypropylene. There are different types of vials such as single-dose vial and multi-dose vial often used for medication. For glass vial, option include screw vials closed with a screw cap or dropper pipette, lip vials closed with a cork or plastic stopper, and cream vial closed with a rubber stopper and a metal cap. The bottom of vial is often flat. They are often used as storage for small quantities of liquid used in medical or molecular biology applications. I will share about the main machine of this company, which is vial machine and VMAX. As you can see, the picture shown the vial machine, and this is VMAX. VMAX is used to detect the deformation from vial. VMAX has gained a great experience in regulating vials, ampoules, shrink, and cartridge at various stages of their manufacture. Most recently, VMAX has been providing dedicated service for the inspection of vial used for COVID-19 vaccine. I will share my experience during internship, which is I do few training activities, helping and observing staff repairing vial deformation, observe and determine how to see vial drawing, checking gas, oxygen and sulfur dioxide meter and record it to production sheet for every 4 hours, collecting data every 1 hour for all machines, service and maintain machine component once a month, for example, service and clean chuck A and B, learn to uninstall and reinstall component in the machines such as chuck, shimbo, sankaku and etc., helping install air tank for machine 1, learning about gas furnace operation control panel and check control board. As the pictures shown on the slide, I was doing measuring vial with following specification from the company. For your information, vial machine can produce 18 bottles in single rotation. Next picture is polished shimbo and sankaku. Shimbo and sankaku are the important component to make a mouth and necks of vial. It must be polished 2 times a week. In-gas furnace operation control panel, we can see the meter reading for anel. The max temperature that anel can produce is 620 degrees Celsius. We move to control board. The function of control board is to controlling power of machine and reset for the other router components, monitoring and controlling machine speed and monitoring system status. This is an example of VMAX control from computer. Data can be obtained from VMAX and the deformation of product can be reviewed too. The picture shown gas and oxygen meter in the machine. The gas and oxygen must be recorded in vial production sheet for every 4 hours. Example of chuck. Next is an example of chucks A. Normally, these components will be serviced and maintained every once a month. Last picture is a sample of a tank. I was assigned to install the air tank for machine 1. The function of air tank for this machine is to avoid dust and water exposed to the vial. In conclusion, based on my personal experience, I am confident that the industrial training program has accomplished its fundamental goal. All of this valuable experience and knowledge that I have gained were not only acquired through the direct involvement in tasks given, but also through other aspects of the training such as work observation, interaction with colleges, superior and other third party related to the company. There are many things that I've experienced and learned during the 6 months of my industrial training at Shotani Class Malaysia, Sdn Bhd. For recommendation, during my industrial training here, I will be able to obtain a lot of engineering expertise. As a result, I recommend that students in the Faculty of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering and Technology do their internship at engineering firms since they provide much needed skill and new experience for technical engineering skill. This internship will give benefits to students to use all the knowledge and theories that related to course taken during study period. While students also can improve the communicate well, can build the teamwork and have good relationship with the staff of the workplace and industrial workers. Thank you.